back to MarineMax, Minnesota. My name is Max Cavanaugh, and today I have the pleasure of showing you guys this beautiful 2023 Harris 230 Cruiser. We're starting off on the exterior, like all of our videos. You'll see this beautiful white exterior with a little black accent up on top. It's really sharp. You have stainless steel pop-up cleats around the entire boat, which is super nice that they pop up, because you can fold them back down as well. Won't be hitting your toes when you're on your boat. You have your docking lights here, your nav lights are up here as well, integrated very nicely. Your Harris logo. Now this is a tri-tune as well, so the handling will be phenomenal. You have a little side door that will open up. I can show you that inside. As we make our way back, all the way up top on this Harris 230 is the bimini. Very big, gives you lots of shade when you're outside on the water. As we make our way to the back here, you'll notice the beautiful safety railings here. This allows you to sit back in the rear lounger while the boat is underway, so extra square footage for the boat. You'll see the big ski tow bar with the tow point up on top. You can tow your tubers, your skiers, even your wakeboarders from there. This 230 is optioned out with a Mercury 4-stroke, 150 horsepower outboard, plenty of power to move this boat around the lake. There's a few little features back here as well, like a transom stereo remote to control your audio level or change the song if you would like to. There's also a battery maintenance charging port, which acts as a trickle charger. So a very nice user-friendly feature there. Now let's go take a peek at the interior of this 230. All right, we've made our way into the interior of the 230 Cruiser. You'll notice on the railings here, you have the fender holders, which is really nice, really convenient for the customer. Opening up this back lounging pad here, you'll have a lot of storage underneath. They're on supported hinges. You'll notice that throughout this entire boat, even up in the bow. The cushion over there, you lift up that one, and there's actually an integrated cooler there, which is really unique. This is the SLDH, which is a single rear-facing lounging dual helm chair layout. This also will flip back into different positions. You have a full bed on a pontoon, pretty unique. Lifts up, folds into place, really easy, really convenient. Again, you have your dual captain's chairs here. You have more storage underneath here, unsupported hinges as well. Finished off nicely inside. Not seeing a lot of wiring, which is great. Your batteries are underneath this seat right here. You have cup holders around this boat. You'll have 4 up front, another one at the helm, down by the throttle there, so plenty of space for your drinks or even your phones to place in there. Again, on this 230, it's a 23-foot pontoon, it's a tri-tune. It feels like there is more space than that. Let's move to the helm though, let's check it out. You have these armrests that lift up, they fold back down. At the helm, you have a nice steering wheel, good rubber coating feeling, so you feel like you're really locked in. 3-spoke design. You have your JL audio head unit here, make it really easy to control and connect to Bluetooth. You have your cup holder. You have a few USB and auxiliary ports here for your stereo system. Your traditional gauges with the digital readout. Super simple and slick. You have your physical buttons over here for your nav light, anchor light, docking lights. Then your throttle is off to your right. Everything feels very great when you're sitting in the seat. The ergonomics are very well done. Moving up to the bow here, you're gonna have a lot of space up here. You can really lay out, lounge out. You can have 3-4 people up here, even 5, maybe even 6. Just depends on your crowd. As you open these up, again, you're gonna have more storage on each side. All on supported hinges. Again, 2 cup holders on each side. There's actually 2 USB ports. And in total, there's 4 USBs because each port contains 2 USB connections. Everything folds in place nicely too. One thing I'll point out that I think is nice is that all of these seats that you look around on this pontoon, they have either the Harris logo or Harris lettering. It's all nice embroidered. The quality is excellent in this Harris 230 Cruiser. You guys, this is the Harris 230 Cruiser again. It's a 2023. It's located here at the MarineMax Rogers location. If you have any questions, give us a call or feel free to come stop by. We'd be glad to help you out. Thank you.